Embark on a journey across the globe as we explore some of the most mesmerizing and surreal landscapes nature has to offer. From the pristine white sand dunes of Lençóis Maranhenses in Brazil to the towering quartzite pillars of Zhangjiajie in China. Each destination is a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty and diversity found on our planet. Join us as we delve into the enchanting realms of 10 best natural wonders in the world. Number 10. Lençóis Maranhenses. Lençóis Maranhenses in northeastern Brazil is a natural wonder characterized by vast expanses of pristine white sand dunes dotted with crystal-clear lagoons. During the rainy season, these ephemeral lagoons form a breathtaking mosaic across the landscape, creating a surreal and captivating scene. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers, offering a unique blend of golden sands and vibrant blue waters. Number 9. Cappadocia. Nestled in the heart of Turkey, Cappadocia is a region famed for its otherworldly landscapes. The distinctive fairy chimneys, ancient cave dwellings, and surreal rock formations make it a must-visit destination. One of the best ways to experience the magic of Cappadocia is by taking a hot air balloon ride, providing panoramic views of the breathtaking terrain and the iconic silhouettes that define this captivating region. Number 8. Phang Nga Bay. Located near the popular tourist destination of Phuket, Thailand, is renowned for its dramatic limestone cliffs, hidden caves, and emerald green waters. The bay's stunning scenery is a result of centuries of natural erosion, shaping the karst formations. James Bond Island, featured in the film The Man with the Golden Gun, is a major attraction, and exploring the bay by boat unveils its enchanting beauty. Number 7. Plitvice Lakes. Croatia's Plitvice Lakes National Park is a mesmerizing wonderland of interconnected lakes, waterfalls, and lush greenery. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the park is a testament to nature's artistry. Wooden walkways guide visitors through the park, allowing them to witness the beauty of cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear lakes that vary in color from azure to green, creating a captivating and serene atmosphere. Number 6. Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills in Bohol, Philippines, is a geological marvel, featuring more than 1,000 perfectly cone-shaped hills that turn chocolate brown during the dry season. These unique mounds create a surreal landscape, and the origin of their uniform shape remains a captivating mystery. The Chocolate Hills are a natural wonder that has become an iconic symbol of the Philippines' diverse and enchanting scenery. Number 5. Kawah Ijen. Situated in East Java, Indonesia, Kawah Ijen is a volcanic crater renowned for its mesmerizing blue flames. This phenomenon occurs due to the combustion of sulfuric gases escaping from the depths of the volcano. The crater also harbors the largest acidic volcanic lake globally, providing a stark and ethereal landscape. Trekking to witness the blue fire and the turquoise lake is a challenging yet rewarding adventure. Number 4. Wadi Rum. Wadi Rum, also known as the Valley of the Moon, is a protected desert wilderness in southern Jordan, celebrated for its striking red sand dunes and towering rock formations. The vast, open expanse of Wadi Rum has been featured in numerous films and is a popular destination for those seeking a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. Camping under the starlit desert sky is a magical experience in this otherworldly landscape. Number 3. Pamukkale. Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a natural wonder in southwestern Turkey. Renowned for its terraces of white, mineral-rich thermal waters, Pamukkale is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The terraces, formed by the flow of these healing waters, create a surreal landscape that resembles cascading pools of ice. The ancient city of Hierapolis, situated atop Pamukkale, adds historical significance to this geological marvel. Number 2. Halong Bay, situated in the Gulf of Tonkin in northern Vietnam, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site celebrated for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone karsts and islets. The bay's ethereal beauty is enhanced by misty landscapes, traditional fishing villages, and hidden caves. Cruising through Halong Bay unveils a cinematic panorama of nature's grandeur, making it a top destination in Southeast Asia. Number 1. Zhangjiajie. Zhangjiajie, located in Hunan Province, China, is a surreal landscape of towering quartzite sandstone pillars, often shrouded in mist and greenery, the inspiration for the floating mountains in James Cameron's Avatar. Zhangjiajie's scenic beauty is otherworldly. The Zhangjiajie National Forest Park offers breathtaking views, thrilling glass bridges, and a chance to immerse oneself in the mesmerizing scenery that inspired one of cinema's most iconic settings. As our journey through these surreal landscapes comes to an end, we find ourselves captivated by the magic of nature's artistry. From the emerald waters of Halong Bay to the ethereal blue flames of Kawa Ijin, each destination leaves an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. These natural wonders, diverse in their formations and histories, serve as a reminder of the remarkable beauty that exists in every corner of our planet. Thanks for watching.